It's a part of our culture.
The Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills, Garrett Ellison Dykes, revoked the permission granted by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, KHADC, to organize fishing competition within the jurisdiction of the district, days after a newborn baby died on the way to hospital because of traffic congestion caused by a fishing competition at Nongspung near Pampernai village under West Khasi Hills district. The DC also informed that a judicial inquiry has been set up and the police will also take suo motu action on the matter.
The District Council Affairs Department trong comment clear telah revoke iaitu kena keputusan jong the District Council Khasi Hills Autonomous Council keba high permission untuk fishing competition. Ya baru ki permission keba council telah ada grant with immediate effect and until further orders. Kata gue kapal lomba lor ke jingjiang ada point ya ke judicial inquiry pada keling USP sim sumato ya ketua.
Director General of the Border Security Force, Nitin Agarwal,